In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make digital stickers on Canva to sell on Etsy. Whether you're a seasoned Etsy seller or just starting out, designing and selling digital stickers can be a wonderful way to showcase your creativity and add to your product lineup. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process step by step so you can create your own digital stickers easily and efficiently. First, we want to plan out our sticker set. The key to a successful set is having a well thought out theme. Whether it's planner stickers, motivational quotes, or cute icons, having a clear theme will guide your design process and make your stickers more appealing to customers. Take a moment to sketch or jot down your ideas, as this planning step can save you time later on during the design phase. With your designs in mind, we're ready to dive into the creation process. Next, let's open Canva. Head over to canva.com and log into your account or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on Create a Design. Here, you have the option to choose custom size. For printable sheets, an 8.5 by 11-inch canvas works perfectly. Whereas for digital PNG files, setting the size to 2000 by 2000 pixels is ideal. This customization step ensures your designs are exactly the size you need them to be for your final product. Now, let's get creative and design your stickers. Canva offers a plethora of elements, shapes, fonts, and graphics for you to explore. Use these tools to bring your sticker ideas to life. An important tip here is to add outlines or white borders around your designs. These borders make your stickers look more like traditional stickers and elevate the cuteness factor. Remember, simpler designs often translate better and aim for high-resolution images to ensure quality. Once you're happy with the designs, it's time to make the background transparent. This step is crucial, especially if you're planning to use them as cut files for Cricut or other digital cutting machines. Select your design, click Download, and choose the PNG file type. Before you finalize the download, make sure to check the box for a transparent background. This ensures your stickers will stand out without any unwanted background area. With all these pieces in place, it's time to save and export your files. For those interested in printable stickers, you'll want to save your design as a PDF print at high quality. This ensures the best possible outcome when your customers print them out. If you're focusing on digital stickers, sticking with PNG files saved with a transparent background will serve you best. Saving your files in these formats will prepare them for Etsy and ensure your customers receive top quality products. And there you have it. You've just created your very own digital stickers using Canva, perfectly tailored for your Etsy shop. Follow these steps and you'll have a beautiful product ready to share with the world. Thanks for watching and happy designing.